Wireless CCTV cameras are everywhere, but when comparing TP-Link's Tapo C230 vs C225, which one should you buy? Let's break down what each offers, their strengths and weaknesses, and which one is better for your home or office. The Tapo C230 is a 2K wireless security camera with pan and tilt rotation, smart detection features, two-way audio, night vision, and cloud mobile alerts. It's aimed at users who want a flexible indoor camera that can cover a big area. Some of its key features: 2K resolution, sharper video than 1080p, so faces and details are clearer. Pan and tilt can rotate horizontally and vertically for coverage. Motion alerts with configurable zones and AI detection options, and a two-way audio, speak to the camera. Night vision, solid eye illumination for low light conditions. Here are some of its pros. Higher resolution 2K means clearer video. Pan and tilt lets you cover most of a room without blind spots. Good smart alerts and app controls, and two-way audio works well for basic communication. However, pan and tilt can be slower to move between positions. Video quality can still depend on lighting. Low light isn't perfect, and smart alerts sometimes generate false positives if not fine-tuned. People will want wide area coverage and clearer detail in a single device, especially if you want one camera covering a whole room instead of multiple static ones. The Tapo C225 is also a wireless camera with pan and tilt, 2K video, smart features, and two-way audio. Basically a sibling of the C230 built for similar purposes. It has 2K resolution, same sharp image quality, pan and tilt rotates for maximum coverage, smart detection, motion and person vehicle alerts, and two-way audio and night vision, just like the C230. It has excellent coverage with pan and tilt. Smart detection alerts keep you notified in real time, two-way talk and built-in speaker mic, and Tapo app is smooth and intuitive. However, it's very similar performance to C230, tough to distinguish unless you care about small details. Some users report minor firmware hiccups or alert delays, and night vision is good but not industry-leading. It's best for users who want a solid all-round wireless CCTV camera with wide coverage and good smart alerts and don't need extra bells and whistles beyond the essentials. So which one wins? For most people, the Tapo C230 and 225 are extremely similar. Same 2K resolution, pan and tilt, coverage, night vision, and smart alerts. In real use, both give you good image clarity and wide coverage for monitoring rooms. If you want slightly more refined motion detection and the best app experience, some users report C230's interface being a touch smoother and notifications feeling a bit faster, making it a tiny edge for everyday use. If you're on a budget or just want a reliable standard camera, the C225 holds up great and performs the same core functions. The bottom line, both cameras are excellent for home office security. The C230 edges it with slightly smoother alerts and app feel, while the C225 is more straightforward, no-nonsense pick. Pick the one that fits your price and ecosystem. They're both winners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.